Good morning, students. Welcome back in your maths class. In our maths class today we will revise number names. Okay. What will we revise? We will revise number names and table trick also. First, let us revise number names as you already have studied. So, let's start counting, children. As my children knows how to count. Let us start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That you know. Till 100 and more than that. You all know how to count. See that. When we write in this way, we just tell that we write in figures. We write in figures in this way. But when we write as ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, it is as in a words, it is called number names. The numbers are here, and as we write in a words, we call it number names. So today we will revise number names. Let us start just doing a quick revision. ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5. See that. But when we will come in this row, that the digit will see, the spelling would be changed. SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGHT8, NINE9, TEN10. Till here you know. Even you are just studying from UKG standard 1 in this way, then also some of you just do the mistake. Okay, that is why I am just revising a 1 and 1. Okay, 11, TWELVE, 12, THIRTEEN 13. See that. 14, FOURTEEN, FOUR4, TEEN 10, 14. 15, FIFTEEN 15, SIX6 10, TEEN 10. If you learn as a part wise, you can learn in that easy way. 17, SEVEN7, TEEN 10. 18, EIGHTA EN 18. 19, when you write 19, some of you just eat E here. NINETEEN 19. 20, TWENTY 20. 1 to 10, 11 to 20. More. TWENTY 21. How do we write? See that. TWENTY 20, TWO2, TWENTY 23. We write like this. TWENTY 4, 24, 25. Again 26, 27, 28. Till here it is very easy. When you come to the 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40. Look at here, children. When we write 4, FOUR. The spelling of 4, it is FOUR. But when we write 40, we write FORTY. FORTY. It is 40. We just what? You omit it. FOUR4, FORTY 40. Some of you just write like this. FOURTY. That is wrong. So correct spelling of 40 is FORTY. 40. In the same way, 41, 42, see that? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 44. 40 we will write like this, but 4 we will write FOUR. If you learn this, you will never do the mistake. FORTY, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Now one more break here. 50. FIFTY. 50. 50. But how do we write 5? FIVE. When we write 5, we write like this. FIVE. As we write 50, we write FIFTY. V is not there. Okay? Remember these things always. As you point it also. Again, come to the next. The same way, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Look at here. 55, 55, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. No spelling change here. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 70 is also that no spelling change. 7TY, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74 and 75. Now 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. EIGHTY, 80. There also no confusion. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. NINETY. See that? NINETY. That is 90. But when you start writing 91, 92, NINTY. Sometimes you write like this also. 90. E would be there. Don't forget to put E. Okay. NINE. 9. 90 like this and 9 it is also like this. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. HUNDRED. Well children, you have studied. See that? You have studied counting in figure and words. In figure, we write as a numerals. It is called numerals. Okay, number and number names. When we write as words, it is called number names. And what you have to do, you have to write this in your copy as revision work in your homework copy, and you have to write all the spelling and learn. Clear? Now number names is clear. We had done quick revision of number names. Now the time come for table trick. Okay, number names and table. Now it's time for table. According to your syllabus, up to May you have to study from 2 to 10. That you all know. Table trick. I'll tell you today one trick. One small trick idea to write the table that you will never forget in your life. If you know the trick, you will never forget. अगर ट्रिक पता रहेगी आपको तो आप टेबल कभी नहीं भूलोगे लाइफ में. Okay, we will never do the mistake. Simply from now up to your level, from 2 to 10. Let's see. 2 to 5 you all have studied in standard 1. Some of you just 10 also. Let's have the revision of table from 2 to 10. before to start the revision, I want to ask you that do you know standing line and sleeping line? Standing line like this. Standing line जो stand करता है, खड़ा होता है, standing line बोलते हैं उसको, ऐसे like this. और sleeping line किसको बोलते हैं? Sleeping line, it slip like this. ये है sleeping line. टेबल ट्रिक पढ़ाने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, दिस इज योर स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड दैट इज योर स्लीपिंग लाइन. तो लेट अस स्टार्ट. एज यू नो द टेबल, हाउ टू राइट, लेट्स हैव टेबल ऑफ 2. 2 ones are multiplication table. It is 2 ones are. How will you write? Suppose you have just you don't have idea to write, you are forgetting and you have to teach someone or your younger brother or sister. This is the idea that 2. What is at the left side? Whatever number is at the left side, यहाँ जितना नंबर रहेगा उतना हम लोग स्टैंडिंग लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. 1 2 1 and 2. Clear? And whatever number would be here, यहाँ जितना नंबर रहेगा उतना स्लीपिंग लाइन. ओके, स्लीपिंग लाइन. मीटिंग पॉइंट. मीटिंग पॉइंट. मीटिंग पॉइंट इज देयर. मीटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द लाइन, it would be written here. 2 ones are 2. Again next, 2 already line draw, standing line. once you draw, एक बार आप draw कर लोगे फिर नहीं ज़रूरत है. again 2 2s are, how will you write? 2, that means 2 here, left side 2, that means 2 standing line. right side 2, that means 2 sleeping line. again 1 and 2. meeting point 1 2 3 4. 4 meeting points, you will write here 4. next 2 3s are, what would be? left side 2, so 2 standing line. left side जो नंबर रहेगा बेटा उतने स्टैंडिंग लाइन आप लोग ड्रॉ करोगे, और राइट साइड जो नंबर रहेगा उतना स्लीपिंग लाइन आप ड्रॉ करोगे. ओके, लेफ्ट साइड 2 है, 2 स्टैंडिंग लाइन. राइट साइड 3 है, तो कितनी स्लीपिंग लाइन होनी चाहिए? 3. 1 2 3. और जो इसका मीटिंग पॉइंट होगा, जहाँ भी लाइन मीट कर रही है, क्रॉस कर रही है एक दूसरे को, उतना काउंट करके यहाँ लिख देंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6. again 2 4s are 2. 1 2 4. 1 2 3 4. okay, so how many is meeting point? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8. 2 5s are 2. 2 standing line. 5 sleeping line. 1 2 3 4 5. okay, this is the way that to write the table if you forget. and another way that you learn, the smart children that learn easily. okay, in the same way I am writing 2 6 are, one more meeting point. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 I had drawn. See that 2 7s are 2. 1 2 7, that means 7 sleeping lines should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. so how many meeting point? 1 2, कहाँ कहाँ मैच कर रहा है ये लाइन? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. okay, when you just Do it, you will know easily. Now you will tell that ma'am has done one. Now how will do the another one? We can do another one is also very much easily. Okay, I'm helping you in another only one, and you have to just do practice at home. All that from 2 to 10. Just do the practice from 2 to 10 table trick practice while doing this. That is your answer correct? 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. See, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, and 2 10s are 20. Let's check one more. Okay, let's have table of 5. Okay, 5 multiply 1, 5 ones are, suppose that your ma'am don't know, so let's just check it in a rough work. This side is your rough work. 5, left side 5, that means we will write how many standing lines? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 standing lines. 1. How many sleeping lines? Only 1. Then start counting meeting point. 1 2 3 4 5. Answer would be 5. 5 ones are 5. Again 5 twos are. How many standing line? 1 2 3 4 5. Already drawn. How many sleeping line? 2. 1 and 2. 1 2 3 4 5. To count the total, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Is it 10? Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. टेबल ऑफ एनी नंबर इज जस्ट ऐड दैट मच नंबर. अगर 5 का टेबल है, 5 का टेबल है, तो उसमें 5 5 ऐड करते जाएंगे. ओके, दैट इज ऑल्सो द वे. सपोज दैट आई हैव आस्क्ड यू इन एग्जामिनेशन द क्वेश्चन 5 6 जा. टेल मी 5 6 जा. द क्वेश्चन मे बी आई हैड गिवन यू इन एग्जामिनेशन और एनी टेस्ट. 5 6 जा माई चिल्ड्रन डजंट नो. ओह, मैम ने तो बीच में से पूछ दिया. हाउ विल वी डू इट? याद तो नहीं आ रहा है. तो लेट्स डू 5 6 जा. लेफ्ट साइड 5, दैट मीन्स 5 स्टैंडिंग लाइन. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 स्टैंडिंग लाइन. ओके, एंड राइट साइड 6. 6 मीन्स 6 स्लीपिंग लाइन. 1 2 3 4 5 6. ओके, 6 sleeping line. Let's count meeting point. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. जहाँ जहाँ ये मैच होता है, जहाँ कट होता है, लाइन्स जहाँ कट होती है, उस पॉइंट को हम लोग काउंट कर लेंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. 30 बार ये लाइन मैच कर रहा है, एक दूसरे को क्रॉस कर रहा है. ये लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन और स्टैंडिंग लाइन, एक दूसरे को 30 टाइम्स कट कर रहा है. तो आंसर वुड बी 30. जिन बच्चों को पता है 5 का टेबल, तो 5 6 30 होता है ना. सी दैट यू गॉट द आंसर. अगर मान लो आपको आंसर पता भी है, आपको चेक करना है कि कहीं आपने एग्जाम में सही लिखा है कि नहीं, यू कैन चेक इन दिस वे. ओके, यू कैन चेक इन दिस वे ऑल्सो एंड यू कैन राइट द टेबल इफ़ यू आर फॉरगेटिंग समवेयर. अगर कहीं आप भूल रहे हो तो आप उसे लर्न भी कर सकते हो, ऐसे चेक कर सकते हो. टेबल फ्रॉम 2 to 10 till here you will practice. So your tomorrow's homework to learn number names. Okay, I am sending you the images, number names with number in a figure and in words also. From 1 to 100 you have to learn, and table trick, as you have to write and learn table from, you have to learn from table from 2 to 10. Write the table in your homework copy from 2 to 10. 2 से लेके 10 तक टेबल लिखना है और याद भी करना है. Okay, that is your revision homework. Number names we have studied today, number names and table trick also. I hope you enjoyed the class, children. That's all for today.